Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will start by getting the app and signing in so the service can store files securely. Install Terabox, grant storage and camera permissions immediately, and sign in or create an account. This gives you the encryption and sync features. Once done, verify your email to unlock limits and set up two-step verification so no one else can access your files. Make sure auto login is enabled only on personal devices to speed future access while keeping security intact. Now you will add and arrange content so retrieval becomes effortless. Tap Upload and pick files or folder to push data to the cloud. Choose multiple items to save time. Once uploaded, create folders and move or rename files so your structure mirrors your needs. This helps search and reduces duplicate copies. Make sure camera upload is enabled to backup photos automatically, and set Wi-Fi only to avoid mobile data overages. This streamlines backups without surprise charges. Finish by syncing, sharing, and validating access so your work is ready anywhere. Enable selective sync or mark folders for offline access when you need files without internet. This prevents interruptions. To share, generate links and adjust permissions, or add a password and expiration for control. If you run into problems, upload stuck or missing files, check your storage quota, confirm network stability, and clear the app cache before retrying. These steps fix most issues quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.